In this tutorial, I will show you how to create 3D animation video with a free tool named Plotagon.
Let's get to it.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that intro. Let's go ahead and install Plotagon Studio application. Just go to their website and download it to your desktop. Then we want to go ahead and click on Create Video. Like in any animation video or any video in general, you're going to have to start creating scenes. Here you click on the Scene tab, this icon on the left, and as you can see there's a variety of scenes here, from haunted house to computer screen. Looks like we have an ER there. I'm just going to type in living room, that as my scenery. Actually, I'm going to take the sofa. So we have a sofa here. Looks like we have some chips, 2 cans. It's pretty cool how this animation is already created for us. The background, that is. So I'm going to go ahead and take a male character. I'll take this one here. And if you're not pleased with the look, of course he's got something on his shirt, so I'm going to pick another character. Pick this young guy here. His name is Damien. He's sitting, you can, to the right. You can actually make him sit to the left. Let's pick another character. I'll make it this one here. Actually, no, let me go with a different character. Let's go with Lizzie. She's sitting to the right. So it's kind of neat here. You could adjust where your characters are sitting in the scene. Now I'm going to start building the scene with dialogue. Obviously, you want them to both talk to each other or talk in general. But before we do that, we create a new character. There's so many customizations behind this that would definitely be for another video. As you can see, you can change the person's clothing, what they're wearing, whether they have glasses or no glasses, their eyes, adjustments, their hair coloring. But in this case, I'm just going to go with the basic features. Next thing we need to do is give our characters some expressions. In this case, I'll just go ahead and type in, what should we do this evening? I'll give them a thinking pose. And if I want to hear it, I'll go ahead and hit the microphone and hit play. You can import the dialogue if you want. For instance, you can import using ChatGPT, but in this case I used my own.
What should we watch this evening?
Then I'm going to give Lizzie a voice. She's going to stay neutral.
I don't know
I'll
yet.
just write, I don't know, and rinse and repeat basically. I'm going to take, here's another scene I created on the fly, just a living room. I'll go ahead and get the characters again, Damien, and then Lizzie. And what's cool about this scene is it gives you the options of placing where you want to see your character in the scene. Do you want him by the door? Do you want him sitting on the left? Do you want him sitting on the couch? And this is what's cool. In some of these scenes, it gives you more choices to place your characters. And not only that, you have the options to actually be the director of your scene. You can give an establishing scene. You can give a close-up. You can give a medium shot. You're the director of the animation that's being put onto your scenes and on your project. Here, I'm going to put in some more dialogue. And it's muted on purpose because I was going to import the audio later. Now once you've created your scene, you go ahead and play it. Once you're done,
I don't know yet.
Never mind,
with
I'm
your
tired.
changes,
Me
we
too.
would go ahead and click on render video. Change the resolution if you want, or just the file itself. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.